Anytown. As your moderator and chairperson of the Anytown town meeting, I call a meeting to order. Yes, it's great to see everybody, but as you know, our Anytown faces a lot of serious economic problems.
Right.
We need good jobs and good benefits and an expanded tax base.
Yes, we do.
Motion number 1, create a garbage mega dump. Duly noted. Motion number 2, create a big box mega store.
No benefits.
Now, wait a minute, people. How there? I'm Cal Calvinton of the Corrections Corporation of America, and I have a proposal for you that will provide more jobs, lots of benefits, and a nice, strong tax base. That's right. I'm talking about a privately owned, taxpayer-funded state penitentiary.
Well, I guess we got another motion on the table. All in favor?
Aye.
Say
Aye.
aye. Okay, there's one.
All right, all against, say aye.
Aye.
Now, wives have it. Bring in the president.
What? I hear the train a-comin', it's rolling down the bend, and I ain't seen no sunshine since I don't know when.
Oh, we did that beautifully. All right. Now, my friends, like they say, build it and they will come. Yep. They sure will. Here they come. Any minute now. You like my hat? Nice day. Well, I think maybe we need some proactive community outreach and recruitment. How about all you illegal immigrants? Get in there. Yeah, and veterans with PTSD. In there. Yeah, the homeless. The jobless. Yeah, the rest of you guys. Yeah, and hey, everyone who's black. Come on, put them in there. All right, good. Now, oh, wait a minute, I forgot. All you dang drug users, come on. That's right, look at that. Oh, holy cow. Now we got some overcrowding. Better build another dang prison. Yeehaw!
No! 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 No!
Did you know that it costs $45,702 per year to put a person in prison?
Really?
But it only costs $21,378 per year to send him to State University.
Wow! Why, Taryn, if what you're saying is correct, it would be cheaper to send all of us to college than to send us to prison. So, why don't we turn this penitentiary into a university? Yay!